yourself.
Yo, shit for brains! What goddamn color is this? Huh? You fucking blind motherfucker! Who the fuck do you think you are? Come here and shitting in my mailbox, playing my goddamn video games. You're gonna learn about colors, you dumb foreskin.
Shut the fuck up!
What did you say to me?
You want to complain? Go put your head in the toilet.
Slap happy. I think the first clean honey. He's bad.
Hello, motherfucker. That woodpecker's crazy as a loon. You said it.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
We think you're crazy. Yeah, you got some screws loose.
We do not care.
We still think you're crazy.
I don't care. And to keep it a bean, no one cares.
If you're so smart, let's see what you can do to that tree. It's a cinch.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go.
You're nuts. Maybe I am crazy. Maybe I better see a I'll go see a doctor.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hey.
Oh shit.
No dead mayonnaise in my collab.
Where'd you fucking go?
Hi, Doc. Remember me?
That's very funny. Ha ha ha.
Something's wrong with my throat.
Well, I didn't like it, see? Now read that line.
Can't see a thing, Doc. Can't see a thing, Doc. Can't see a thing, Doc.
Open your eyes!
Dr. Sure is a Dr. Sure is me. I like cartoons. Don't you like cartoons?